finance and supply chain, I want to talk about warehouse management a little bit. As Microsoft tries to improve its warehouse management tool or offering, several years ago, they purchased the intellectual property or licensed the intellectual property from Blue Horseshoe, and they've been incorporating that into finance and operation warehouse management. And as part of that, there's been a drive to expand, add more specialized, and add more complicated features and functionality to the Dynamics warehouse management system. And Microsoft recently did a poll with their customers and found that about 65% of their customers were intimidated by the configuration that's needed to stand up a warehouse management. So if you hear the word warehouse light coming from Microsoft, keep in mind that it is not a new product. It is a focus on what is the minimal configuration required in order to turn on a warehouse and actually use a warehouse. And those minimum configurations, you have to have a site, a warehouse, and locations within your warehouse. Then you have to have some, you have to have a wave, and you have to have some work templates and also some location directives set up. And you can set those up in such a way that it does not require interaction with your warehouse workers. And then if you're using mobile apps, you need to configure the menu items for your mobile apps. But do not be intimidated by the breadth and the depth of the configuration items that exist in the product in order to turn on a warehouse. Let's see. So the current warehouse management system you can configure that to the smallest and most simple warehouse, and then grow that with your business or grow that with the complexity of your warehouse just by configuration, and it will not require a re-implementation. And you can do that by changing or adding locations, adding warehouses to sites, creating new work templates and location directives and so forth. So keep that in mind, that you can have a simple warehouse that's configured for something as simple as the back end of a retail site. And you can go all the way up with the same warehouse management software to a fully automated warehouse with plant floor automation, warehouse management, material handling equipment that you want to interface with, and so forth. Next slide, please. So just a couple of notes on that. Our FSC leadership, this is a new practice and it's been up for a few months now, but our FSC leadership has experience implementing this concept of warehouse light in 6 of the 7 continents and in many, many countries. And so we do have some experience in implementing that internationally as well. And so if you do have questions or want some more information or some help in how do you set up a warehouse so I can use it in a very small, simple warehouse, let us know. We'd be happy to help.
Business Central. All right, so what we did is we now offer at JourneyTEAM what we call Business Central reporting package. And what that allows you to do is we can connect now to your Business Central instance. We can go in and grab all of that data. What it has first is a core data model. We spent over 1,000 hours implementing this, and it now allows us to go in and at a fixed rate, pull in your data into Power BI. Business Central has reporting. It's very stagnant. You aren't allowed to drill through and find out the problems and anomalies that are happening in your data. And now with this reporting package, you can go in, integrate it into Power BI, and you can now find the anomalies and problems with interactive reports that are coming through in the Power BI. And on the basic, with this reporting package, we've included basic reports such as balance sheet, income statement, trial balance. We have some, and we can show the slides. Yeah. You can see these basic reports that come with this reporting package. And this is just scratching the surface. The best thing that comes with this reporting package is the ability to have all of your data flow into Business Central. And that allows you to go in and you can create your own reports off your BC data to manage your company how you need. And we can also do customizations with this. So if you choose, we can go in and build individual customizable reports for you aside from these 6 different reports. And we can also train you on how to do that. So it's a really cool reporting package. Please reach out if you have any questions and we can get you some more information on what that fixed cost is based on the difficulty of how it runs. So